Hello guys, this is Autosocials and today I'm going to show you how you can install Optifine for Minecraft. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So, what you need to do is just head over to optifine.net and this should open up their website, which will look something like this. What we are going to do is just hit the download button next to home, and this should open up a bunch of download variations, and you should get Optifine for whatever version of Minecraft are you running. So let's just download the latest one. Now we are going to have to wait for a few seconds. Once you've completed the wait, you should be able to press the download button. As you can see right here, it allows us to keep the file. Just wait it out. And as you can see right here, Optifine downloaded. Now we're going to open it. Here we're going to select where we want to install it. I suggest leaving it as it is. Just hit install. And from that point on, your install should appear as being successful. And once you go on to your Minecraft launcher, like I am right here, you should see on the bottom corner of your screen your Optifine. Now, the only thing left for you to do is just press play and enjoy the game with Optifine. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.